Hey guys, welcome back to a new video and hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your link tree from scratch so you can share all your important links in one place. So let's get started without any further delay. Now you can simply go to Linktree in your browser or simply download the app from App Store or Play Store in Android. If you have downloaded the Play Store or the app from the Play Store, this is the logo of the app. Wait for it to load, enter your email and choose a username and set a password. Otherwise, you can simply click on sign up and use your Google ID or Apple ID accordingly to your device or your choice to log in into Linktree. Check your inbox and verify your email to activate your account, and once verified, log into your dashboard and you can simply click on this profile right here and add links, as much links as you want from here. Simply click on add new link, and as you can see, you can add as many links as you want. You can paste the URLs you want to share, add a title for each link so your audience knows what it is for, like YouTube or shop now button, and that's it. Your LinkedIn is all set up and ready to share. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.